Imagine waking up to a thriving, lush garden without hours of work. You step outside, tea in hand, and see tomatoes ripening, basil and oregano scenting the air, and peppers shining, all with minimal effort. This isn't a fantasy. Even with just a patio or balcony, you can have a self-sustaining garden. The secret? Work smarter, not harder. By setting up a clever system from the start, you let nature do most of the work. We'll show you how to build a mini ecosystem in a single pot, a garden that waters, feeds, and protects itself. Each part works together. Plants support each other, soil holds water, and a hidden reservoir keeps everything hydrated. This isn't just about growing food, it's about creating a balanced, resilient piece of nature. Forget daily chores and constant worry about watering. We're building a garden that gives you more time to enjoy its beauty and bounty. Fresh herbs and vegetables right outside your door with almost no hassle. Let's start this journey and create a garden that works for you. This is the ultimate patio garden hack, easier than you think. You'll soon have a thriving, low-maintenance oasis. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in and build your self-sustaining garden. No more endless weeding or watering, just simple steps for a smarter, easier way to garden. Enjoy the process, enjoy the results. Your dream garden is closer than you think. The right pot is the foundation of your self-sustaining garden. Choose a large container, at least 50 centimeters wide and deep, to hold more soil, water, and nutrients. Avoid small pots. They dry out too fast and need constant watering. Glazed ceramic, recycled plastic, or wood are best for moisture retention. Terracotta looks great but dries out quickly. Line it with plastic if you must use it. Drainage holes are essential. No holes? Drill some. Good drainage prevents root rot and keeps plants healthy. Place your pot in the sunniest spot. 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight is ideal. Check how sunlight moves across your patio before filling the pot. A well-placed, well-chosen pot sets your garden up for success. Start with the right container, and you're halfway there. Now, let's talk about soil. Great soil is the heart of a self-sustaining pot. Skip garden dirt. It compacts and suffocates roots in containers. Mix peat-free compost for structure, coconut coir or vermiculite for moisture, and perlite or grit for drainage. This blend holds water, drains well, and keeps roots healthy. Add 1 part coir or vermiculite to 3 parts compost, plus 1 part perlite or grit. Top with a 2 to 3 centimeters layer of mulch, wood chips, straw, or pebbles. Mulch locks in moisture, blocks weeds, and stabilizes soil temperature. This simple setup means less watering and fewer problems. Healthy soil is the foundation for thriving plants. With the right mix, your garden needs less from you. Now let's choose the perfect plant partners. Smart soil, smart results. Let's plant. Time to plant using companion planting for a thriving pot. Place a tomato or pepper in the center. These are your main producers. Surround it with herbs like basil, oregano, or thyme. These herbs repel pests and act as living mulch, keeping soil cool and moist. Basil boosts tomato flavor and deters hornworms. Each plant has its own space, above and below ground, so they don't compete. This mini-guild works as a team, healthier, more resilient, and productive. Plant the main vegetable first, then arrange herbs around the edge. Water well to settle them in. This simple combo means less work and more harvest. Next, let's solve watering for good. Watering is the biggest chore, but not with a hidden reservoir. Bury an unglazed clay ola or a plastic bottle with holes in the center of your pot. Fill it with water. It slowly seeps into the soil, right at the roots. This method cuts evaporation and keeps plants hydrated for days. Roots grow deep and strong, seeking out the steady moisture. If you use a bottle, leave the cap end above the soil for easy refilling. Just top up the reservoir once or twice a week, no daily watering. Set up the reservoir before planting, then arrange your plants around it. This is the real secret to a low-maintenance garden. Less work, healthier plants. Watering solved. Now let's feed your garden for free. Container plants need steady food, but skip the chemicals. Make compost tea. Steep a handful of compost in water for a day or two, then water your plants with it every couple of weeks. Or bury small kitchen scraps, coffee grounds, eggshells, veggie peels under the mulch. These break down slowly, feeding your plants naturally. Avoid meat, dairy, or oily foods to prevent pests. This gentle, ongoing feeding keeps soil healthy and plants productive. No expensive fertilizers needed. Your kitchen waste becomes plant food, closing the loop. Healthy soil, healthy plants, zero waste. Feeding your garden is now effortless. Let's see the whole system in action. Step back and admire your self-sustaining garden. A large pot, perfect soil and mulch create a resilient foundation. Companion plants work together. Tomato or pepper in the center, herbs around the edge. The hidden reservoir delivers water right to the roots, cutting your workload. Compost, tea, and kitchen scraps feed the soil, not just the plants. Mulch locks in moisture and blocks weeds. Every element works in harmony, creating a thriving, low-maintenance ecosystem. Your patio is now a productive, beautiful oasis. Minimal effort, maximum reward. This is smart gardening made simple. Your garden now gives more than it asks. No more daily chores, just top up water and feed occasionally. Enjoy watching bees harvesting herbs and picking sun-warmed tomatoes. This method saves time, conserves water, and reduces waste. You're growing food sustainably, right at home. The harvest is fresher, tastier, and more rewarding. Even a small patio can yield plenty of produce. You've created a closed-loop, eco-friendly system. Gardening becomes a source of joy, not stress. You don't need a big yard or lots of time. Smart design lets you grow more and work less. Build your self-sustaining patio garden. Enjoy the simple, delicious rewards.